Example 3.25. Let E be the electric field of magnitude 6 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb and B be the magnetic field of magnitude 0.83 Tesla. Suppose an electron is accelerated with a potential of 200 volt, will it show zero deflection? If not, at what potential it will show zero deflection? So what are the things given here is the electric field and the magnetic field are given. So the electric field is 6 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb and the magnetic field is 0.83 Tesla. Okay. So now we can find out the velocity of the electron. The velocity of the electron is V is equal to E by B. So 6 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 0.83. If you divide this value, you will be getting a 7.23 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. This is the value you will be getting. Now, when an electron goes with this velocity, it is showing zero deflection. Now, we are applying a potential of 200 volt. So, when we apply a potential of 200 volt, the electron get accelerated. Okay. And it will acquire the kinetic energy. It will acquire the kinetic energy. Therefore, the kinetic energy is equal to the given potential. So, half mv square is equal to E into V. So, at what speed it is moving at 200 volt? We have to find it out. So, V square is equal to 2 EV by m. So, we can write V is equal to root of 2 EV by m. So, what is the velocity at 200 volt? So, the velocity at 200 volt is equal to root of 2 into, this is an electron. So, the charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into the potential is 200 divided by mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Okay. If you substitute these values and if you calculate the calculation, you will be getting it as 8.39 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Okay. Now we will compare the original velocity with that of the velocity of 200 volt. The velocity of 200 volt is greater than that of the original velocity. So we can write V200 is greater than V. Okay. So now the electron is deflected towards the direction of Lorentz force. So in order to have a null deflection, what is the potential we have to apply? So we can calculate the potential from this formula itself. So V is equal to, okay, from this formula I am going to write V. V is equal to mv square by 2E. Here we are going to find out the potential. So it is mass is how much? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Velocity is the original velocity, that is 7.23 into 10 raised to 6 the whole square divided by 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. We will be getting the value as 475.683 into 10 raised to minus 19 for the numerator, and for the denominator we will get as 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19. 10 raised to minus 19 and 10 raised to minus 19 get cancelled. If you divide this, you will be getting as 148.65 volt. Okay. So at this velocity, it will show what? Zero deflection. Okay. Sorry, at this potential it will show zero deflection.